Welcome to Y Chance Tech Labs and Company. Here, we introduction you to progressive web apps. Certainly, progressive web apps (PWAs) represent a modern approach to web development that combines the best features of both web and native mobile applications. Here's an introduction to the key aspects of progressive web apps. Web technologies. Progressive web apps (PWAs) are developed using conventional web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This ensures cross-browser compatibility and allows developers to create applications that work seamlessly on various devices and platforms. Responsive design. Progressive web apps (PWAs) are crafted to exhibit responsiveness, adjusting seamlessly to diverse screen sizes and orientations. This responsiveness ensures a consistent and user-friendly experience across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. App-like experience. PWAs provide an app-like experience, offering features such as smooth animations, gestures, and a user interface that closely resembles native mobile apps. This allows users to interact with PWAs in a way that feels familiar and intuitive. Service workers. A key component of PWAs is the use of service workers. These are scripts that run in the background, enabling features like offline functionality, push notifications, and background synchronization. Service workers enhance reliability and performance. Offline capabilities. PWAs can function even in the absence of an internet connection. By caching essential resources, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, PWAs ensure that users can access content and perform actions offline. Fast loading. PWAs prioritize fast loading times through techniques such as lazy loading and efficient resource caching. This results in quicker startup times, improving the overall user experience. App shell model. PWAs often follow the app shell model, where the basic structure and design of the application are cached locally. This allows for rapid loading of the app skeleton, with content fetched dynamically. Engagement features. PWAs support engagement features like push notifications. This enables developers to re-engage users even when the PWA is not actively open, contributing to improved user retention. Secure connections, HTTPS. Progressive web apps, PWAs, mandate a secure connection, HTTPS, to guarantee the integrity of data and enhance user security. This is particularly important for features like service workers and the ability to request secure resources. Discoverability. PWAs can be discovered through web search engines, making them easily accessible to users. Unlike traditional apps, PWAs don't necessarily require installation from an app store, providing a more streamlined onboarding process. Cross-browser compatibility. PWAs are designed to work consistently across different browsers, ensuring a uniform experience for users regardless of their browser preferences. Installation. Users have the option to install PWAs on their devices, allowing them to be added to the home screen and launched directly, similar to native apps. This provides users with the convenience of quick access. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.